Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to recover Gmail password. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. So here we can see I'm trying to sign into my Gmail account. So after putting my Gmail, clicking on next, and I forget my password. As you can see, I forget my password, and now let's see how to recover these email account passwords. Clicking on forgot password, and here we can see Google will send a verification code to your phone number. So if you forgot your Gmail password, you must have your phone number to get the verification code to reset your Gmail password. So I have my phone. Now I'm clicking on text, and here we can see a text message with a 6-digit verification code was sent to my number, and I'm simply pasting my verification code here and then clicking on next. And here we can see the option to create a new password, so I'm giving a new password here. Confirm password, and clicking on continue to Gmail, and here we can see I have successfully recovered my Gmail account password. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmin it. Thank you for watching.